and affluent NRI Brahmin families for matrimonial alliance who is equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. I know. For marriage alliance, you don't need 1,000 profiles. You just need the right one. So watch this video till the end. This is Pragati. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best NRI Brahmin Elite Marriage Bureau come NRI Brahmin Wedding Planners. An elite NRI Brahmin Marriage Bureau that provides its matrimonial matchmaking services 100% free for widows and physically challenged females from respected NRI Brahmin families. A marriage bureau for an elite and affluent NRI Brahmin families passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every NRI Brahmin elite family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 11,100 rupees only. An elite NRI Brahmin Marriage Bureau, which is not only limited to NRI Brahmin bridegroom matchmaking services, but also arranges wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding menu, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing elite class NRI Brahmin weddings. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Nowadays, in NRI Brahmin community, the number of millionaires is growing. Don't we all think that having more money will solve all our problems? Not always. When it comes time to finding a perfect NRI Brahmin life partner for your son or daughter, it is like separating the gold diggers from the genuine ones. Do they love me for me or are they after me for my money? One of the troubling findings is that money is actually a barrier in searching a right life partner for the uber wealthy NRI Brahmin families. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In NRI Brahmin community, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in NRI Brahmin community. In good old days, NRI Brahmin elite marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests, or even barbers. But in this sad age, the search for an elite NRI Brahmin life partner has been taken up by elite NRI Brahmin marriage bureaus or elite NRI Brahmin marriage consultancy. Today I will introduce you an elite matrimonial service provider for NRI Brahmin community, which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the elite NRI Brahmin families in India and abroad for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages for NRI Brahmin community, but the marriage bureau who have changed the concept of NRI Brahmin elite partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services. Imagine an elite NRI Brahmin marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Now coming to today's topic. If you are an ultra-rich business person, industrialist, manufacturer, constructor, developer, jeweler or a top-notch professional from NRI Brahmin community and you are looking for a suave and affluent bridegroom similar to your own status, then Dharma Vedic Matrimonial Services Private Limited can help you in finding that perfect elite match. Very briefly, I am telling you what an elite NRI Brahmin family is looking for in their search for a bridegroom in NRI Brahmin community. Yes, they keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic NRI Brahmin elite matchmaking services. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose an elite NRI Brahmin life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online come offline services just like your neighborhood elite NRI Brahmin marriage bureau to help you find the right NRI Brahmin match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivering. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in India and abroad. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in NRI Brahmin community. That's why 9 out of 10 NRI Brahmin clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in NRI Brahmin community. Dharma Vedic NRI Brahmin Elite Membership top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up an elite NRI Brahmin client for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our elite NRI Brahmin clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We do not keep any elite NRI Brahmin profile online. This is why, because the socioeconomic status of the NRI Brahmin elite families demands a certain level of privacy. All elite profiles are shared via our secure app. The app hosted on secure servers are not open to anyone except to verified clients. There is no option for random elite NRI Brahmin profile searching. We personally upload matching profiles for every NRI Brahmin elite client, and only those are visible to that particular client. Number 3. We have a large elite database of profiles from NRI Brahmin community, and our services are 100% discreet and confidential. We also have handpicked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in NRI Brahmin community. Number 4. Our NRI Brahmin elite client matchmaking services fee ranges starting from 11,100 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. Now coming to the last, what are the eligibility criteria to be served as an elite NRI Brahmin matchmaking services? So friends and parents, one needs to belong to the category of the rich and affluent, since that's what our elite NRI Brahmin members seek. Our NRI Brahmin elite and affluent members also expect a certain net worth. Dharma Vedic NRI Brahmin elite members include high net worth individuals, leading entrepreneurs, industrialists, celebrities in various fields, and professionals in senior management positions from NRI Brahmin community. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing elite NRI Brahmin weddings in India and abroad. So parents, it's high time now to find an elite NRI Brahmin bridegroom for your loved ones. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the NRI Brahmin elite matchmaking process in India and abroad. At the same time, if you know someone who is widow or physically challenged female from NRI Brahmin community who is struggling to find best room for their daughters and sisters, please share this video or inform them that Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for them. I am Pragati. They can directly call me on 8828952895. Again, I am repeating the number 8828952895. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.